In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Mailchimp account and add email list. To begin, open Mailchimp in your browser and log into your account. Enter your login details carefully and make sure you are accessing the correct workspace before you continue. If Mailchimp asks you to verify your login or confirm your session, complete that prompt first. Once you are inside the dashboard, take a moment to let the page fully load. This is important because Mailchimp may display recent campaign activity, audience updates, or setup prompts when you first sign in. Now that you are logged in, the next part of the process is to go to the area where your contacts are managed. In Mailchimp, this section is called Audience. Look for the Audience option in the navigation menu, usually on the left side of the screen. Click Audience and then choose Audience Dashboard. This dashboard is where Mailchimp keeps the main overview of your contact list, including audience size, recent growth, and other contact-related details. Once you are on the audience dashboard, you are in the right place to begin adding people to your email list. This is the section you will use whenever you want to manage subscribers, import new contacts, or review the information connected to your audience. Take a quick look around the page so you can recognize where the main contact tools are located. Next, find the option labeled Add Contacts. Click it to open the available contact options. From the menu that appears, select Import Contacts. This tells Mailchimp that you want to bring in a group of contacts rather than adding one person manually. Importing contacts is useful when you already have a list prepared and want to move that information into Mailchimp efficiently. After selecting Import Contacts, Mailchimp will ask you to choose how you want to bring in your contacts. You may see options such as Upload a File, Copy and Paste, or Integrations. Choose the method that matches where your contact information is currently stored. If your contacts are in a spreadsheet or CSV file, uploading a file is usually the most direct option. If you only have a small group of contacts copied from another document, copy and paste may be easier. If your contacts are stored in another connected platform, an integration may be the best choice. After choosing the import method, follow the prompts shown on the screen. Mailchimp will guide you through the next part of the import process. This usually includes selecting or confirming the file, pasting the contact information, or connecting the service you are importing from. Move through each prompt carefully, and make sure the information you are adding is accurate before continuing. The next important part is mapping your data columns. This means matching each column from your contact list to the correct field in Mailchimp. For example, a column for email addresses should be matched to the email address field. A column for first names should be matched to the first name field, if you have that information. Mapping matters because it helps Mailchimp organize your contacts correctly and prevents information from being placed in the wrong area. As you go through the mapping screen, review each column one at a time. If Mailchimp recognizes a column automatically, confirm that it is correct. If a column needs adjustment, choose the correct field from the available options. If there is information you do not want to import, follow the on-screen option to skip that column if available. The goal is to make sure your audience data is clean and easy to use later. Once the columns are mapped, continue to the review screen. This is your final chance to check the import settings before the contacts are added to your audience. Look over the details carefully. Confirm that the correct audience is selected, the import method is correct, and the contact data is organized the way you want it. When everything looks ready, click Complete Import. Mailchimp will begin importing the contacts into your audience. Depending on the size of the list, this may take a moment. When the import is finished, you should see a confirmation message or an update showing that the contacts have been added. That covers everything you need to know. You have logged into Mailchimp, opened the audience dashboard, selected Import Contacts, chosen an import method, mapped your data columns, reviewed the settings, and completed the import. And that is all there is to it.